Fasten your seatbelts. This flight is about to take off. SmartSoC Solutions is ready, with the same energy, with the same ferocity, breaking the limits. Mentors with experience of more than 50 years. To become the Company of the Year by Silicon India. Flying over the technical trends like VLSI, embedded systems, IT, bending reality with our transformative ideas. Along with our 50+ clients. We are ready to build the next solutions, sweating over the last 6 years demonstrating excellent capability in VLSI, embedded and IT engineering. We have marked a global den anticipating this day for some time now. With belief in your idea's potential to change the world. We are ready with new opportunities. Are you?